If you are about to start the practice of meditation, this video is just for you. I'm going to share with you 5 tips, 5 secrets how to do good meditation. They are going to improve the quality of meditation a lot. My name is Dada Sadananda. I'm a practitioner of meditation since 30 years. Every day, relentlessly, I have been doing meditation. And I wish I have known all those things from the very beginning, because nobody have ever told me, and I had to collect those tips, one by one as I progressed in the practice of meditation. And in the very end of this video, I will tell you one advice which will help you to establish in meditation, 100% guaranteed. Everybody who have followed that advice, now they have become advanced meditators. So, tip number 1. Regularity is more important than intensity. Forget the intensity. Focus on regularity. If you have become regular, the intensity will follow. Set yourself a task to do meditation twice a day, just 5 minutes morning and 5 minutes evening. And when you sit, then sit as much as you want after 5 minutes. Because normally, when you close your eyes and you start meditating, you feel like, oh, let me meditate 5 minutes more. Let me meditate 10 minutes more. And then, oops, half an hour is gone. And you have done half an hour of very intense practice. So intensity will follow regularity. And also, it has a great impact in your life. I compare meditation with the tuning of the musical instrument. Like if the guitar is untuned, then it doesn't emit that doesn't produce the beautiful sound. You may be a very professional musician, but still you cannot produce a great sound with that untuned instrument. So also, when you tune yourself with the practice of meditation, you start radiating confidence, kindness, resolve. You have a high motivation, high energy. So, regularity. Second thing, sit on empty stomach. You should not be very, very hungry, because it will distract you from meditation. And you should not feel heaviness. If you are sitting to meditate after you have just eaten, there will be heaviness. Energy all goes to the digestive system, and no energy comes to the brain. So sit with a very light stomach. Number 3, same place, same time. Our body and mind follows the biorhythms. My father used to very fondly to speak about his military service. He used to when he was young, he served in the Navy, and he was telling, my health improved so much. I became so strong because every day you wake up at the same time, every day you eat at the same time, you go to sleep at the same time. It has a very powerful effect on health. And also in meditation, your meditation will like very much if you meditate exactly at the same time and at the same place. Because when you sit for meditation, you radiate a special wave of peace. And you will see that even your cats, even your dogs, they like to come and sit in that place where you meditate. So the place itself becomes not only symbolic, but also it becomes a place of power for you. So you can enjoy meditation there. Then next, sit with the straight spine. Straightness of the spine allows a great concentration. So when you assume a posture, put pillow under the buttocks and put some pillows under the knees. The pillow under the buttocks will remove the pressure from the lower back muscles. So there will be no pain. And then the pillows under the knees, they will remove the pressure from the knees. So use higher pillows so that you can sit comfortably for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. This is another important thing. And the last one, sometimes I'm lazy to do that. But when I do it, I really love. It just takes 1 minute, but it produces great result. You go to the bathroom, open the tap, and wait until the very, very cold water starts to come. And then you splash the water in your open eyes at least 12 times. And then wipe your face very, very dry, and then go and sit. This will activate the diver's reflex. Your breathing will become slow, your heartbeat will become slow, and your mind will become very, very calm. So you will enjoy meditation. And the final piece of advice is about how to establish yourself in regularity. There is a wonderful advice. It is called no meditation, no food. Don't allow yourself to eat anything until you have done your morning meditation. Don't allow yourself to eat anything until you have done evening meditation. And then naturally you will establish a meditation. Everyone who have followed that advice, they have become very powerful and advanced meditators. So I wish you very much a good luck with your practice. It is a great thing. You are getting interested in meditation. Within half a year, your entire life will be completely different. You will feel like, why didn't I start the practice of meditation 20 years ago? I should have started when I was very, very young, when I was 5 years old. So start the practice of meditation. If you are wondering how to meditate, I will leave also the link for the video with a very simple meditation. Once you have outgrown that simple meditation, then I will leave the link for a more advanced form of meditation. And we will also link the course, which is called The Consciousness of an Outstanding Personality. And also, if you want to be in the community of the practitioners, you can join with our Telegram channel, with our WhatsApp and Facebook Messengers channels, and we practice in there together. And we do different events like collective meditations online and things like that. So check it out. So good luck.